I love the warm weather, but what I love more is the warm people.
Ano po sa akin na kahit kung hindi ako perfecto, na minahal niyo po ako gaya perfecto ako. Minahal niyo po ako sa isang perfectong pagmamahal.
During these travels, we traveled to the Philippines and we came back because we liked it. And then we came back again and back again and back again. And now, ta-da! We live here.
First, I like to say, holla, holla, holla. There you go, right?
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Yes, masarap means delicious.
Yes, there you go.
And they still managed to keep their back straight, to smile, to go further, to indeed focus on the family, to give. I think that is really the power. That's really the power that's inside of the people here.
Kamusta mga ka-proud? Today's video episode ay pag-uusapan naman natin ang mga ugali at kulturang tatak Pinoy na sobrang nakaka-proud at nagpapabilib hindi lamang ang mga kapitbahay mo, kundi pati na ang buong mundo.
We like their smiles.
Because
even though, even after this such a huge disaster, they still have this smile.
Kung bakit napakaraming foreigner ang nahuhumaling sa Pilipinas, pumapasyal, nagnenegosyo, tumitira, nag-aasawa at ang iba pa nga ay pinipili na maging naturalized Pilipino. Ang travel at turismo ay may malaking parte sa ekonomiya ng ating bansa. Kaya naman para sa mga turista at travel vlogger, pangunahing dahilan ng kanilang pagbisita sa Pilipinas ay ma-experience ang magagandang pasyalan at dalampasigan. Kapag nga naitapak na nila ang kanilang paa sa Pilipinas, ika nga ng kasabihan, the rest is history.
So, I didn't know anything about the Philippines before I came. And I think it's the thing that I get most excited and most passionate about being here in the Philippines is telling that story to the rest of the world, because I feel as though not as many people know how beautiful it is and not as many people know as they should know.
Okay. So yan ang kwento ng Beautiful Destination CEO na si Jeremy Jonsi.
So, how does it feel?
It's been a few months since the wedding and it's been great.
Hindi na lamang siya sa Pilipinas na in love. Siya lang naman ang naging asawa ng former Miss Universe na si Pia Wurtzbach.
I'm also glad to see Jeremy coming to the Philippines. I mean, he's been to the Philippines a lot of times before, even before he met me, but now he has more reason to be here, so I'm really excited.
Isa lang si Jeremy sa mga pumasyal at nasakal, nagpakasal sa isang dalagang Pilipina.
I love the Philippines so much that I even married a Filipina, Diana, who's the most amazing person I've ever met on this planet.
Thank you for loving me.
Of course, this is the best experience.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo ka-proud? Labas-labas din ang bahay. Baka nagbablog na dyan sa bakuran mo ang iyong future afam. Pagbutihin mo lang ang pagre-representa sa Pilipinas.
Venice Grand Canal Mall on this beautiful January day here in 2023. I'm so excited to be back in Venice.
Hindi lamang sa angking ganda ang dahilan kung bakit nagbabalik-balik ang mga foreigner sa ating bansa. Ika nga ng kasabihan, aanhin mo ang bahay na bato, kung nakatira naman ay kwago. Siyempre, isa sa best feature ng Pilipinas ay ang mga nakatira dito, tayong mga Pilipino.
Tell you what, I'm gonna travel the world for the rest of my life. I'm gonna go to many other countries, I hope. And I'm convinced that no matter where I go, I'm always going to have the Philippines as up here as some of the best people that I've ever met. Always. I will never forget them. And it all started from my father telling me about them when I was just a young kid.
So many people can speak English and how friendly they are. So it's a really good mix because they are super friendly, and because they speak English, they really like to connect with foreigners.
Much of a beach down there, but lots of friendly people. I love Filipino people. I think I've been to almost 100 countries in the world, and I'm gonna go out on a limb. Actually, it's not even much of a limb. I'm gonna say that Filipino people are the nicest I've met anywhere in the world. I love them. Love them. I want to take them home with me.
Tunay ngang nakatataba ng puso pakinggan ang napakaraming papuri sa ating napakagandang kultura. Isa lamang ito sa kaunting tulong na maibabahagi natin sa ating pamayanan na tratuhin ng maayos ang mga bisita para lalo pa silang dumami at makatulong sa pag-angat ng ating ekonomiya.
The people of the Philippines was my absolute favorite part, and going to travel to other countries, I'm not sure that it's physically possible to have a friendlier culture. If you're Filipino and watching this video, thank you, because your culture is literally amazing.
Huge thank you to them, to their family. Yeah, their hospitality was amazing. I ate breakfast with them. They showed me around a little bit, and yeah, what a beautiful family. It's one of the best reasons to live in the Philippines. Like, where else do you get hospitality like that? It's crazy. It's amazing.
For my children, I hope they learn from the Filipino people how to be happy, to choose happiness.
At syempre, mawawala ba ang isa sa mga dahilan bakit tayo dinadayo ng mga foreigner? Kasama sa listahan dyan ang ating nagpapakilala sa buong mundong Filipino food.
Imagine traveling to the Philippines without hopping on a flight.
Yeah.
It's possible.
It is absolutely possible. And new to a local restaurant, bringing authentic cuisine to Placer County.
Dahil kabi-kabilang Filipino restaurant na ang itinatayo ng mga kababayan natin para ipakilala at ipalaganap ang sarap ng Filipino cuisine. At patunay yan na pagkaing Pinoy ay talaga namang world class.
I discovered this place on my last trip here. Every bite is fantastic. There's stuff you never had before, stuff I never had before. Hence the people. Hello, people.
Let's do the guava creamsicle first.
Gary, halo halo.
Yes, halo halo. That's what this is all about right here. That's what this dessert is. I'm learning this morning.
At hindi lamang sa pagkain at TV representation sa Estados Unidos, lumalaganap ang kulturang Pinoy.
Good morning to everyone in Tagalog for us.
Okay, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. We're here at White Rice.
So cool. I love hearing it. I'm like, well, we're teaching our kids at home, and so I love just the language is so cool. They know much better than I.
Kakaila ang hilig nating mga Pinoy sa pagkain. Almusal, tanghalian, hapunan, at mawawala ba ang merienda? Nakatutuwa din na lumalaganap na ang pagkaing Pinoy sa ibang bansa. Patuloy nga itong nakikilala at nagpapatibay ng kulturang Pilipino.
So good. I got to learn amazing things from you and your beautiful grandson. How do you think it looks?
Yeah, Lola, I want you to critique both of ours. Okay, ready? Okay, Lola, so there's the adobo and the turon. How does it look?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Napakasarap iparamdam ang ugali at kulturang Pilipino dahil totoo naman na world class at hindi tayo mapapahiya. Tama lamang na balansehin natin ang ating pakikitungo sa bawat isa para sa huli, hindi naman tayo maabuso at maisahan. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagsasapuso ng ugaling Pinoy.